Hello English learners, I am Robert. Today our topic is a powerful lesson on self-love. Have you ever taken care of everyone else, but forgotten to take care of yourself? Have you ever been there for people, but when you needed someone, no one showed up? This is the story of a man who gave everything to others, until he realized he had nothing left for himself. And the lesson he learned changed his life forever. In a quiet village surrounded by fields and tall trees lived a man named Jack. He wasn't wealthy or famous, but everyone knew him for one thing: his kindness. If someone lost an animal, Jack would help find it. If a house needed fixing, he was the first to arrive. If someone was hungry, he shared his food, even when he barely had enough. People often said, "Jack is the soul of this village." But what no one saw was the exhaustion hidden behind his smile. Every day, Jack woke up early to help others. He carried water for an elderly woman, helped neighbors with repairs, and worked long hours in the fields. By the time he returned home, he was too tired to care for his own life. His house was falling apart. The roof leaked. The walls were cracked. Dust covered the floor. "I'll fix it tomorrow," he would say. But tomorrow never came. One evening, a boy came running. "Jack, please help. My father's animal fell into a pit." Without hesitation, Jack rushed to help. He struggled with all his strength, until the animal was finally safe. Everyone thanked him. But as he walked home that night, his body felt weak. His steps slowed. His vision blurred. And right at his doorstep, he collapsed. For 2 days, Jack lay alone in his home. He waited, hoping someone would come. Maybe the old woman. Maybe a neighbor. But no one came. Everyone assumed Jack was busy helping someone else. No one realized. This time, he needed help. With tears in his eyes, he whispered, "I gave everything to others, but no one is here for me." On the third day, a traveler passed through the village. He noticed Jack lying weak and alone. The traveler gave him water and sat beside him. "Why are you here like this?" he asked gently. Jack replied, "Because I spent my life taking care of everyone, and forgot to take care of myself." The traveler looked at him and said, "You cannot light the way for others if your own light has gone out." He continued, "Kindness is beautiful, but if you give without limits, you lose yourself. You cannot give what you don't have." Those words stayed with Jack. The next morning, something changed. For the first time, he chose himself. He cleaned his home. He repaired his roof. He rested. In the evenings, he sat quietly by the river, watching the sunset, something he had never done before. People began to notice. "Jack has changed," they said. "He doesn't help like before." But Jack would simply smile and reply, "I still help. But now, I don't forget myself." Slowly, his life improved. He became stronger, happier, more peaceful. When people asked for help, he didn't always say yes immediately. Sometimes he said, "I will come after I finish my work." And over time, people understood. Jack was still kind, but now he had balance. And that balance taught the whole village something important. One day, the elderly woman visited him and said, "You've taught us something we never understood before. That caring for yourself is not selfish." Jack smiled and said, "When you take care of yourself, your kindness becomes stronger, not weaker." Little by little, the village changed. People still helped each other, but they also respected their own needs. And life became more peaceful than ever. One evening, sitting by the river, Jack closed his eyes and whispered, Now I understand. Self-love is not selfish. It's where true love begins. Remember this. You cannot give your best to others if you are empty inside. Take time to rest. Take time to heal. Take time to care for yourself. Because the world doesn't need your exhaustion. It needs your light. If this story meant something to you, share it with someone who always puts others first. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that inspire both your English and your life.